Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our Chima Dedicated Video channel. Bringing you this update on how to earn free Bitcoin Satoshis by mining free Bitton Airdrop. Now you can see from this screen, you can see this. This is the Bitton Airdrop. And now the way the system was, as you are mining this, you are also earning free Satoshi, which you can withdraw. The system is so simple that you don't need to have a referral. In certain cases they're going to ask you must bring some number of referral. We'll have a lot of them like that. No, but this one you're just mining this token, and the system is also at the same time giving you free Satoshi that you can also withdraw. That's exactly how this system works. So I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step guide on how to do this exactly. The first thing you need to do is to see the link to sign up, and once you do that, then the rest of the steps will follow, and I'm going to guide you in this particular video. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you follow this video. It's a very short video, but follow to the end to learn every single step you need to follow in order to be part of this free Satoshi earning through mining of Bitton Airdrop. Let's go now. So immediately you click on the sign up link, you're going to find yourself here. It's a Telegram bot. So all you need to do is to click on start. Click on this start button, and let's go on right now. So to launch your Bitton app, you need to subscribe to the channel and press check button. So what you need to do, you go to this place, click on this so as to subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Then after that, come back and click on this check. Let's do that right away. Okay, that's the channel, not even on YouTube, it's on Telegram too. I click on join this, I come back, I click on check. Remember, you don't play on the system. If you do it right, the system gonna identify that you did it. If you don't do it, then it's also gonna identify. Welcome to the Bitton Telegram miner. You have joined this team. Now you can earn money by mining BTN token. That's Bitton tokens. So what do? You click on start. You can look at all this presentation and support and other things you want to do. Click on start. To launch this web app, you will connect to each website. Start. That's, if you look at it, that's the same way. So those of us who mine not coin, this is exactly the way it works. And so many coins are like this now, since Telegram have become a real blockchain, space in recent times. So most of them are mining, as you can see, it has started. As you are mining this by tapping, you are tapping this. The way to mine is by tapping. Are you noticing what's going on? As I'm tapping like this, I'm mining this coin, and also Satoshi is also coming up. Are you getting it? So that's exactly how to do. So as much as possible, you keep mining. Why referral is not compulsory, but you discover that in this case, when you refer, your mining power increases. So that's one good thing about this stuff. Your mining power increases. Now let me show you some of us. For some of us who didn't do the Notcoin mining, they don't understand how this stuff works. If you look at this, as I was mining now, there's this number here that started from 1,000. It's decreasing. So once it decreases to 0, I can't tap this again to earn anything. But the truth is that after some few minutes, it is going to come up again, fill up to 1,000, so I can come up again and start tapping to mine. You can mine as fast as possible. All you need to mine is by this tapping. Just tapping it. Tapping it. I want to just watch. I want to show you a few other things. Don't just go away. I'm going to go back to the Telegram where we started and show you a few other things. Now, this is it. I'll still come back to this. Let me click on my team. That's where you get your referral whatever affiliate agreement, you click on accept and proceed. Then having done that, you are still under rank 1. You are now going to see your referral link to share. This way you are going to get your referral link. Just take time and read everything you need to read from this place. It's from this team area. People that are signed up under your team, you are going to see them show team everything. It is also from here you are going to see your link to sign up. Okay, let's check about this staking. You can as well stake your coin. Your energy today is 230. You can stake your coin. Then airdrops. You see Bitton available rewards 200. As I'm mining, that is it. More airdrops is coming on this same path. So don't miss out from this, very important. Now let's go back and mine a little. I'm going to fully now go back to my Telegram for us to see. Let's go back there. Now look at it. Now if you want to check, now click on menu. Okay, this says start your journey. That's exactly like you're starting to mine. So whatever you earn, anytime you want to see it, just still go back to your start. Let's click on presentation and see what is there. That's a tutorial guide on how to work, a PDF. If you want to click on it, you can study how it works. Still go back to your mining and continue. Now, let's look at something. It's loading. Just pay attention. This Satoshi you are seeing here, it gets to a point, if you want to withdraw it, you can also withdraw it. Yes. Once it's time for you to withdraw, you're going to see a withdrawal button that allows you to withdraw. Now you want to get your referral link. Look at it here. That's it. That's the referral link now. You click on it. You tap this. It's copied. That's a referral link for you. So that's it. So I'm going to encourage you, as you're going to see the referral link now, click on it, follow the exact process I've shown you in this video, and start mining. If not for the Bitton, because someone might say, this Bitton token, when is it going to be listed and all that? At least for the fact you are going to earn free Satoshi is enough. And all you are doing is just tapping this. You can do this as your leisure time when you're resting. So I'm talking to you, I'm doing this now, resting myself. I'm not doing a very heavy work, but I'm doing this. So you can do this and claim free tokens. And that's very important. This is the time to begin to make real money from all this airdrop and cryptocurrency and the blockchain projects. And I'm going to stop at this point. If you are new to this channel, do it to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Very important. I'm going to bring more updates on how these things work. Make sure you're following us so that you can always ask questions and we'll be there for you at all times. If this video makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. You can as well drop your comments in the comment box. We are always there for you. I want to stop at this point. Thanks for watching.